Hey loves, welcome back. It's me, Jessica, also known as Mrs. Jezzy, and thank you so much for clicking on today's video, and welcome if you are new. In today's video, I am going to be tackling my vehicle. It needs to be cleaned so bad. We are preparing to get ready to go back to school, so my vehicle is one thing that I need to clean out because I do have a child who's in elementary, so he will be picked up in the carpool line. So I wanted to go ahead and make sure that my vehicle is clean. The first and the second row are the messiest. The third and the trunk are not too bad, but I will be tackling it all. So if you need some car cleaning motivation, you are in the right spot. It is super hot here in Texas, but this is something that I really need to get done. So grab your cup of coffee, your cup of tea, your snack, or if you want to clean your car with me, let's do this. So before we start the inside of the vehicle, of course, I'm going to run through the car wash. This is just one of the drive-through car washes. I did get, I think it was like a $15 package, only because I had not washed my car in a very long time. I had not been driving it only because Natalie, you know, she has been driving and I just ride with her wherever we go. If we're going to the grocery store, Target, whatever the case is, I usually just ride with her. So it has been sitting through some rain, a couple of storms. So I was like, I'm just going to pay the extra $5 and make sure that she comes out really clean. And I also wanted my tires to be very clean. So that's what I'm doing here. Whenever I ended up getting out of the car wash, the parking lot for this car wash has free vacuuming if you purchase a car wash, but it was honestly too packed. So I ended up moving to another car wash that was only like 2 minutes away, and it's like a hand wash where you put the quarters in and you wash on your own. And I just went ahead and paid for the vacuuming only to have like that privacy and just like more room, not having to rush. And also here the limit is 10 minutes, and I knew I was going to take a little longer than 10 minutes, not because I was filming, just because, you know, I have an SUV that I needed to vacuum. So I decided to just move on, but I'm going to go ahead and let the music play while I clean out the car, and then I'll hop back on here in a bit.
I'm tired of always see the better in people or the things that matter, but I never could have thought the dagger in my bag, it was you. In the echoes of your lies, dear, can you hear me harmonize every word that comes out? It almost got the best of me, but now I've got it. So sick of love. So sick of love. So sick of love. So sick of I'm so sick of love. I'd rather be naive and bitter, decorate my lows in glitter. Karma hits you like the mirror. You're too late now. In the echoes of your lies, dear, can you hear me harmonize every word that comes out? It almost got the best of me, but now I've got it. I'm so sick of love. So sick of love. So sick of love. So sick of love.
So the cleaner that I'm using is for leather. It's the same brand as the one that I use for the Suburban, except this one is more shinier. It has like a high gloss to it. The Suburban, the interior is a tan color, a tan with wood grain, and this one is black with wood grain. So I decided to go ahead, and I think it was only like $2 or $3 more. I spent that extra just to make sure that the BMW was nice and shiny on the inside. And then I also chose this one because it said that it had a UV protectant, and because my vehicle is in the sun most of the day, although I put the screen, you know what I'm talking about, that screen protector or whatever in the front. Although I put that in there, it still has sun hitting it from the side, and with it being black leather, I went ahead and just bought that to make sure that it was protected from the sun. And I thought that it left a really nice shine on the leather and the BMW, so I really liked it. For the screen, I was told to only use, well, I wasn't told. If you watch the Detail Geek, I'm like obsessed with his videos, but he said for screens like this to only use water, to never use like Windex or Sprayway or any type of glass cleaner, because he said although it's for glass, it will ruin it over time. So I just use a dry microfiber cloth and I go in a circular motion, and that's how I clean that. They do have a protector for it, but it's like $50, so I'm debating if I really want to buy it or not. We do use this vehicle, not a lot, but we do use it as a family, so everybody's in here all at once, but like there's no one really touching the screen because one, it's voice automated, and then you can also like control the screen with this little dial that's on the it's in the midsection right here of the vehicle. You can control everything through that. So I rarely need to touch the screen, not even for the air conditioning, but I think it would be nice to have it because I did place my phone on there one time. It was last year when I was waiting on the kids to get out of school, and I did place my phone on there, and the little diamonds that I have on the camera on my phone, it scratched it a little bit. So I think I might do it, but it's just like, oh my gosh, $50 for a screen protector. I don't know if I want to do that, but we shall see.
Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting. Don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call on me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sunrise is 4 a.m. You see, get in the car, we can run away. I hardly even knew you, but I knew that I can't lose you. For 1 or 2, maybe 3 years, I've been feeling nothing at all. But then I saw your face lighting up my space. Got me going like that, lighting up my space. You do like a candle in the dark. Ooh, getting warmer every time I'm with you. Sunday in pouring rain, I felt kind of low.
Okay, we are getting towards the end of the video, and I am just realizing that I think I did not film when I was unboxing this key fob cover along with putting in the Bath and Body Works car freshener. I'm assuming that I just didn't record at all because I cannot find it in any of my footage, but it's okay. I can still share with you what the key fob looks like. And then of course you already know that I'm ready for the fall season. So I was trying to figure out if I wanted to use the pecan pumpkin waffles or the spiced pumpkin patchouli in my car. And I decided to go with the pecan pumpkin waffles because that is my #1 favorite for the fall scents, Bath and Body Works. And then of course I have many more, but right now to get me in the fall spirit, yes, even though I was already in it. But that's the one that I decided to go with. But yes, guys, the video is already going to be over. If you are still here, please drop a car emoji down below to let me know that you watched the video all the way through. It really does help my channel when you watch the video all the way through and you like, comment, and subscribe. And even when you share, I appreciate all the activity that you guys do on my channel. To all of my oldies but goodies, guys, thank you so much for always coming back and supporting me. Your support will never ever go unnoticed, and I will never fail to thank you in each and every video. To all of my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you so much for joining my YouTube family. I am beyond blessed to have each and every one of you here. And to all the ones who watch and have yet to subscribe, guys, thank you for also taking the time out of your day to watch my videos, whether you are at home watching, if you're watching on your lunch break, or if you're just chilling at the end of the night catching up on some videos. Thank you for watching, because like I said, that is time out of your day that I will never be able to give back. I thank you all for hanging out with me today, and I will definitely see you all in the next one. XoXo. Love, Jessie.
Never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my